Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to actually enable the developer mode inside of your Excel sheet. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your Microsoft Excel. It doesn't need to be on any kind of version, it has only to be on Microsoft Excel. So right after that, you open it and maybe it will be looking something like that. So just go to a blank workbook or open any kind of project. Now, after that, I will need you to go to this menu over here and click on any one of these. Don't click on this empty space, but click on any one of these, right click and customize the ribbon. Now, as you can see, this page will be opened for you. Now, what you have to do is go ahead and ignore this page here and go to this one, which is customize the ribbon. Here, what I will need you to do is go all the way down and check this box. So make sure that everything else is here and correctly done. And now go ahead and click on OK. As you can see, the developer mode has been enabled and added to this menu. So now you have the access to the developer mode. You can actually make the Visual Basic. You can here see everything in this things in code if you want to code anything. You can actually get the access to macros, which is also here I think somewhere. So here is in view and now you have it in here. Now you can get access to add-ins, Excel add-ins, commands, insert some like forms control, something like that, check and etc. So you can do them. For example, checkbox, something like that. If you want to really add it, you can also have some really cool stuff like here, this button option button. You can add it over here. And yeah, guys, you can add a lot of stuff using this developer mode. You can even view code. You can see the properties here, as you can see, false, true, true, false. Here you can see the source if you want, and so go on, import, export, etc. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.